On Friday, the Constitutional Court struck down the Anti-Homosexuality Act on grounds that Parliament passed the law without quorum. This is not the first time the issue of quorum has arisen in the courts of law. In the Constitutional Petition number 3 of 1999, the case of Paul Semogere and Zachary Olum versus the Attorney General, amongst the grounds the petitioners wanted the Referendum and Other Provisions Act nullified was the contentious issue of quorum. These two cases anchored on the question of quorum bring to the fore the problem of apathy and absenteeism, which continues to afflict Parliament. Some lawmakers speak candidly that many laws have been passed without a quorum.
Look at the Public Order Act. That bill was passed in that house without quorum. Isn't it there functioning? Why didn't the Prime Minister and President Museveni, why didn't they question that?
I know there have been cases where there have been issues of quorum. Haven't you seen the issue of quorum in the bench, in the Constitutional Court? There's no way we can have people 100% on daily basis here.
According to Rule 23 of the Rules of Procedure of the August Assembly, the Speaker should ascertain quorum before any bill is passed. During the passing of the contentious bills, the House often fills to capacity when lawmakers have been notified in advance. This is how the impromptu introduction of the Anti-Homosexuality Bill on the order paper by the Speaker of Parliament on December 20, 2013, caught many by surprise. Many lawmakers briefly attend the plenary and after signing in the registry, leave to pursue other errands.
Parliament works in the old house, Parliament works in the committee, and you can never get at any moment where parliamentarians have not gone outside for oversight duty.
Makerere University political science Don Professor Sabiti Makara says that the ruling of the Constitutional Court should act as a wake-up call for MPs who have abdicated their legislative responsibilities.
They can no longer fool around, they can no longer play around with such important matters. This is an important law. It is actually popular as far as I understand.
Makara says lawmakers need to be whipped by their respective party whips to instill discipline in them. Talk to any member of Parliament about the Constitutional Court decision on the Anti-Homosexuality Act, and they will tell you that they will return the legislation on the floor of the House and pass it overwhelmingly.
As we said, we are not going to be diverted by this technicality. We need to look at the broader issues. The broader issues to make sure that we stop the promotion of homosexuality in this country, we stop the recruitment.
With the approval ratings of the 9th Parliament already languishing in the basement, it can only get worse if yet another law passed without quorum is challenged in the Constitutional Court. Solomon Serwanjja, NTV.